Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix settings keep stopping problem on any Samsung phone. Now, to do that, just tap and hold on the settings icon, then tap on the eye icon. On this page, just go to storage and select clear cache and clear all data. Now just select delete. Now after that, just open the app drawer and search digital well-being. Now just tap and hold on digital well-being. Then tap on the eye icon. Now, on this page, just go to storage and select clear cache and clear all data. Now just tap on clear data and select clear. Now, once you have done that, just go to your home screen and force restart your smartphone. Now to do that, just press and hold the volume down button and the power button at the same time until the screen goes black. Now as the screen goes black, just release the buttons. Now as you can see, our smartphone has finished restarting. And this is how you can fix settings keep stopping problem on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.